Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to see Google account password on mobile. And all we have to do is to launch our Gmail application. We are going to tap on profiles, and I'm going to tap on manage Google account. We're going to scroll here, the above, and tap on security. Then I'm going to scroll down until I see password manager. Then I'm going to tap on manage passwords. And as you see, I may not have any saved passwords. But in the case that you do have any saved passwords, you will be able to see them here. And you are going to be able to know the type of password that you have used in your Google account. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.